Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Cash App account into your Stake account. So here we have got a Cash App downloading on an Android phone, and here it is the normal green background that you're going to get if you were to looking to transfer money into a Stake account. So we're going to put in the amount of money that we want. Now, because I'm from the UK, unfortunately we do not have the currency of Bitcoin, but when you press the change currency button, you're going to get a Bitcoin section, and then once you get the Bitcoin section, it will ask you for a BTC address. You can get the BTC address from Stake or from any other cryptocurrency slash betting website, and all you're going to do is you're going to put that Bitcoin address into the Stake account or into the Cash App account, and then that way you'll be able to transfer money from Cash App into Stake. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.